Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the top 5 talents in China. Individuals who, through their dedication, innovation, and sheer willpower, have not only achieved great things but have also inspired millions across the globe. Remember, talent can mean different things to different people. Our journey begins in the bustling metropolises of China, where towering skyscrapers pierce the clouds, a testament to the nation's economic prowess. Here, amidst the relentless pace of commerce, we encounter the Business Mogul, a figure whose strategic brilliance and unwavering determination have shaped entire industries. Imagine the complex workings of a colossal corporation, a network of interconnected departments, each playing a crucial role in the company's success. At the helm of this intricate machinery sits the Business Mogul, their mind a whirlwind of calculations, their every decision carrying the weight of thousands of livelihoods. From humble beginnings they rose through the ranks, their ascent fueled by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and an uncanny ability to anticipate market trends. They are the architects of industry, the masterminds behind billion-dollar empires, their names whispered in hushed tones in boardrooms across the globe. Their leadership is not one of mere command but of inspiration, fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration within their organizations. But their impact extends far beyond the balance sheets and profit margins. The Business Mogul understands that true success lies not just in accumulating wealth, but in using it as a force for good. They are acutely aware of their social responsibility, investing in education, healthcare, and sustainable development initiatives that uplift communities and empower future generations. They fund schools in impoverished regions, providing underprivileged children with access to quality education, the key to breaking the cycle of poverty. They establish scholarships and mentorship programs, nurturing the next generation of entrepreneurs and business leaders. Their generosity extends to the realm of healthcare, where they donate to medical research, fund hospitals, and support initiatives aimed at combating diseases that plague humanity. They invest in renewable energy, champion eco-friendly practices, and advocate for policies that protect our planet from the ravages of climate change. Their legacy is not merely measured in the skyscrapers they build or the fortunes they amass, but in the countless lives they touch through their philanthropy. From the concrete jungles of commerce, we journey now to the cutting-edge labs and research facilities where China's technological revolution is in full swing. Here, amidst the glow of computer screens and the hum of complex machinery, we encounter the Tech Innovator, a visionary whose groundbreaking inventions are shaping the future before our very eyes. Imagine a world where the impossible is made possible, where the boundaries of human ingenuity are pushed further with each passing day. This is the world that the Tech Innovator inhabits, a realm where imagination knows no bounds, and the pursuit of technological advancement is relentless. They are the digital trailblazers, the architects of the digital age, their minds hardwired to decipher the language of code and algorithms. Their innovations are not mere gadgets or software updates. They are paradigm shifts that are fundamentally altering the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Consider, for instance, the impact of their work on artificial intelligence, a field that was once relegated to the realm of science fiction, but is now rapidly becoming a reality. The Tech Innovator is at the forefront of this revolution, developing algorithms that power self-driving cars, personalize our online experiences, and even assist doctors in diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy. Their contributions extend to the realm of renewable energy, where they are pioneering new technologies to harness the power of the sun, wind, and water, paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. They are developing high-capacity batteries that power electric vehicles, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating the effects of climate change. They are using technology to break down barriers, to connect people across cultures and continents, and to foster a sense of global citizenship. We leave the high-tech world of innovation behind and venture into the vibrant art scene, a world teeming with color, emotion, and raw creative energy. Here, amidst the galleries and studios, we encounter the renowned artist, a master of their craft whose works have the power to move us, to challenge us, and to make us see the world in a whole new light. Imagine stepping into a gallery, the air thick with anticipation, and encountering a piece of art that stops you in your tracks. The renowned artist, through their chosen medium, whether it be painting, sculpture, music, or dance, possesses a unique ability to tap into the depths of human emotion, to give voice to the unspoken, and to make us feel truly alive. Their talent is not merely technical skill, though that is undoubtedly present in abundance. It is the ability to transcend the ordinary, to transform the mundane into the extraordinary, to capture the essence of the human experience in all its complexity and beauty. The renowned artist is a keen observer of the world around them, their senses heightened, their minds constantly absorbing the sights, sounds, and stories that make up the tapestry of life. They see beauty in the everyday, finding inspiration in the most unexpected of places, from the bustling streets of a crowded city to the tranquil serenity of a mountain lake. Their art is a reflection of their inner world, a window into their soul, a testament to their unique perspective. They are not afraid to experiment, to push boundaries, to challenge conventional notions of what art should be. They are the pioneers, the trailblazers, the ones who dare to see the world differently and in doing so, invite us to do the same. Their works are not mere decorations meant to adorn the walls of wealthy collectors. They remind us of the beauty that surrounds us, the power of human creativity, and the importance of staying true to ourselves. Our journey takes us now to the heart of Chinese society, where we encounter the cultural icon, an individual whose influence transcends the boundaries of their chosen field, shaping the values, beliefs, and aspirations of an entire generation. Imagine a figure who embodies the hopes and dreams of millions, whose words and actions resonate deeply with the collective consciousness of a nation. The cultural icon is more than just a celebrity. They are a symbol of what it means to be Chinese in the modern world, a beacon of inspiration for those striving to make their mark on the world. Their influence stems not from any position of power or authority, but from the genuine connection they forge with the people. They understand the struggles and aspirations of the common man, their own journey often mirroring the challenges faced by countless others. The cultural icon might be an actor whose roles have captivated audiences, bringing to life characters that embody the values of resilience, determination, and compassion. Their performances transcend mere entertainment, becoming cultural touchstones that are discussed and debated in homes, schools, and online forums across the country. Or perhaps they are a musician whose songs have become anthems, giving voice to the joys, sorrows, and aspirations of a generation. Their music becomes the soundtrack to life's journey, accompanying people through moments of triumph and adversity, providing solace and inspiration in equal measure. Regardless of their chosen field, the cultural icon possesses a unique ability to connect with people on a deeply personal level. They use their platform to advocate for social change, to promote education and cultural understanding, and to inspire others to strive for a better future. Our exploration culminates on the world stage, where we encounter the global influencer, an individual whose impact extends far beyond the borders of China, shaping industries, influencing trends, and fostering dialogue on a global scale. Imagine an individual whose actions reverberate across continents, whose decisions impact the lives of millions, whose voice carries weight in international forums. The global influencer is a citizen of the world, their perspective shaped by a deep understanding of diverse cultures and a commitment to addressing global challenges. Their influence might stem from their role as a business leader, heading a multinational corporation that drives innovation, creates jobs, and connects markets across the globe. They are the architects of globalization, facilitating the flow of goods, services, and ideas that are shaping the 21st century economy. Or perhaps they are a diplomat or politician, working tirelessly behind the scenes to foster international cooperation, to resolve conflicts peacefully, and to build bridges between nations. They are the champions of diplomacy, advocating for dialogue and understanding in a world often characterized by division and mistrust. The global influencer might also be an academic, researcher, or thought leader whose work transcends national boundaries, addressing global challenges such as climate change, poverty, and disease. Their research and insights inform policy decisions, shape public opinion, and inspire collective action on a global scale. They are the embodiment of global citizenship, demonstrating the power of individuals to make a difference on a global scale. We've seen a range of talents today, from business leaders to artists. Their stories serve as a powerful reminder that talent knows no bounds, transcends borders, and has the power to shape the world around us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.